Let me share my screen. So everyone, my screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So up to now, we have discussed regarding to complete Python basics to intermediate level and also some of the advanced topics also. Oops are topics. Any doubts in the oops? So how the classes work, how the objectives work, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction. I think so. You don't have any doubts up to there, right? So this is the end of topic. Today is the end topic in Python. We are discussing Python up to basic to advanced of Python. Not we are not moving for any data science full stack. So whatever, if you choose any career regarding to the full stack, if you choose the career like data science, web development, or anything, these are the topics required for you. From after the completing of these topics, we move towards the data science or data analyst or business analyst. Okay. So today topic is exception file handling. Exception handling in files. So simply exceptions like performance, it occurs when we perform the operations on the files. If you are performing any operations in the file, for example, if I open the file is open, I had done some work on the file, immediately it closed the lens. If in that case, we use this file handling, exception file handling. So here we have three things. One is try, except, and final. Try, except, final. But basically, we wrote only the two conditions. One is try and except, or try and final. Okay. Here the two examples is on. One is try, except, or try, final. We wrote two things only. We are trying to open the things. What are the things we are present? And we are expecting the things. We are trying to open the things. Finally, I need to do the things. So these are the three keywords we use in the file handling. Okay. So one is this is a one pair and this is a one pair. Okay. It simply works like a if conditions. Like whether the if condition satisfied, the loop, the body of a statement will be executed. If the loop, if condition is not satisfied, else condition statement will be executed. Like that, it's similar to that. Okay, but we are changing the keywords here. In the condition statement, you are using if, else, but here we are trying to using try, except, or final. Any of the things. So this is a small syntax of a code. Try whatever code you need to mention in this block of statements, you can mention, or except what you expecting from them after the completing of code. We are trying, for example, I'm trying to repair the TV. I'm trying to repair the TV. What my expectation at the end of the thing? I need to get the display of the TV. So like that type of scenarios it works. Or one more scenario, like final scenario. I open the file, I work on the file. Finally, I need to close the file. This is a second case scenario. Okay. So this is a block of syntax, and this is a block of syntax. Anyone has joined, right? Uh, Fine. Okay. This is a syntax. And let me go for the example. This is an example. I'm try equals to like try ended with a colon. Numerator equals to 10. Denominator equals to 0. Return like the result equals to numerator divided by denominator. Print result. So this is the try. I'm trying to work on this operation where numerator divided by denominator. If it is satisfied, the block of code what I have written in the print statement that will be given an output. Except if things are like does not satisfy the try method, except method will be executed. Okay. Here numerator equals to 10, denominator equals to 0. Let me change this. Numerator equals to 10, denominator equals to 7. Result equals to 10 divided by 7. 10 ones are 10, 7 ones are 7, 1 point, around 1.3 will be getting an output. 1.42. So what in case if I mention the 0, the above condition is not satisfied. right? Above condition is not transfer. It is directly jumped into the except. Like simply works as a conditional statements only, but here we are using different things. Try, except, find. Clear everyone? The steps
Yeah.
clear? So this is the things. Okay. This is a file handling in file exception handling or file handling, file error handling.
Three blocks, three keywords.
No, only three keywords. We don't have any. Only three keywords we are using. The pair of things. Okay. And the regular expressions. This is mostly used for the data science students who are for data science in the NLP topic. Simply, regular expressions is used to clean the text classification data, text related data, whatever the things we have in a text, that will completely work on this NLP. Okay, let's completely work on this NLP. So I need to check on Python and if anyone has joined the class. Okay, regular expressions. So regular expression is the short form to call that. Powerful tools to pattern the matches and text manipulation in Python. It is used like a text if you want to manipulate any text or if you want to assign any patterns, we use this regular expressions in Python. And so if you want to import the regular expression, simply import RE. RE. If you mention simply RE, it refers to you are importing the regular expression. Import RE. If you import simply, it works as a regular expression. You are importing the regular expression module. Okay. So basically, regular expressions have 4 types of functions. One is find out, search, split, sub. Okay. Find out, search, split, sub. These are the 4 functions present in a regular expressions. Okay. Let me give the description about this. Find out means it returns the complete list where you have an identifier of a name, like a name. So if you have a knowledge on Excel, control F, if you type any word, what are the related words, it will be identified. So it returns the list containing all the matching letters. Okay, matching words, what are the things present in them. Search is used to match the object what you are searching the things. What you are searching the things. And split, it simply split the data or text. And sub, it replaces one or more matching with a strings. If you want to replace one text with another text, if you want to replace with one type of text to another type of text, it can use the substitute. Yeah, like that. We are substituting. So this is the 4 functions. Let me deal with the first one. Find all function. So it return all the listed contain the words. Okay. So import RE equals to regular expression. Import RE equals to regular expression. Why is it out? Okay. So regular expression RE. I am importing the regular expression RE. Text equals to the rain in a Spain. This is my text. The rain in a Spain. X equals to RE means regular expression RE dot find all I. I am finding the I from where? Text. From text. How many letters that are mixed in a I need to print that. If X is a condition. X in the X I have already written the condition, right? Where a regular expression find I. If X print matched I, else not match. Print match, else not match. If I execute this, what are the things like what are the find I, what are the values are present in I value, that will become an output. So if I change anything, that will also change. Let me run for the R. Shows only one R is presented. So let me P, let me Q. If Q is not present, it shows not match.
So, Vamshi, one question
Yeah.
here. If so for example, we took, right? So it showed 3 eyes. Can we not just take the count out of it? I mean, like, is there a possibility?
Sorry.
And not the. So it shows in output 3 times eyes, right? can we just not take only the count and not the character?
Count of a character.
Yeah. So let's say I is coming 3 times rather than 3 i's, it should show 3. So length. Okay, that is our okay, got it.
So we can mention this function also, length of it. Clear?
Okay, understood.
Yeah.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. All right. Can you just start? Okay. So this is a function, and if you want to ask any word also, it will give. If the word is presented, it will give the output. If the word is not presented, it simply, yeah. I didn't write any if condition statements. If I write any if conditions, it works. I didn't write anything, means if the word is not present, it will show the null list. That means you don't have any words matched here. Okay. The second one, search. Search function is used to search the string of a match one and return the whatever the strings are matched as a output. So here the example is import RE. Regular expression is importing text equals to terrain in India. In India, right now we are placing the rain. So the rain in India, x equals to RE dot search space. The representation black slash s means representation of pair, comma, from the from the from the text. That's it, right? From the text. So what is exactly the text? The rain in India. So if you use this search, it will show the output. The first space character is located in the position. Okay. Dot start. It shows the first position. It shows the first position of a white space character in a location. Shows the first white space character is located in a position. Observe. Count from the index. 10 counts. 7. Clear? If I mention here, it shows 1. The index of a space is 1. Clear? Second one, sorry, third function, split. Split function is used to split the data, like whatever the things we have mentioned in a character. Same function we use in the strings also. Same function we use in a strings also. So here split method is used to return the split the data, like a string list of data into list. Sorry, string of data into list. So here import RE regular expression. Text equals to the rain in a Spain. I am splitting according to the spaces. Based on spaces, I am splitting. So x equals to regular expression. Method is a function is a split. Split the spaces. This is the spaces of the split. If you wrote anything also, let me copy this. Okay, it will split the data. It will split the data. So you can also split the data by using some particular spaces only. So for example, I have a 10 spaces in a string. I need to split the data based on only 5 spaces. Remaining spaces need to be same. Only based on the 5 spaces, I need to split the data. That's the situation also comes here. Import same regular expression, text equals to derived in a space, and x equals to split spaces text only the 2 spaces. I'm giving the count of the 2 spaces. Only the 2 spaces I need to split. So this is the output. Only the 2 spaces. Okay. if you pass n number of things also and have a great climate here. Okay, this is a big one. I need to split based on the 4 spaces. Okay,
Vamshi, does negative spacing works here? For example, if I put -1, does it take the last one from here?
no sir, it's only give the positive. It's not comes from the index. I am giving the base only the 4 spaces need to be split. It's a count of spaces. 1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Okay.
3, 4. Only the 4 spaces I am splitting.
Mm.
I need to split the entire string based on some of the conditions like 4 or 5 spaces. So spaces are unique thing here, right? Space is a unique thing. That's why we prefer for the spaces. Okay.
So if I have to say, for example, that let's say there is a word called great. So anything after great should come, something like that.
Grade will be removed.
Okay, that is what I was trying to understand. Okay.
Grade will be removed. So that's why we don't want to lose the data. That's why we use the spaces to split.
Understood. Thanks for that, Vamshi.
Okay. Clear, everyone? So this is a split function. Same whatever the things we work in the strings. Same method is using here, but we are giving some of the conditions like based on the 4 splitters, 5. Based on the text, we are splitting the data. And the final one is sub function. Sub function is simply like it replaces the matching of a text into a choice. Based on your choice, whatever the text you are need to replace or you want need to return from the string. So regular expression, string method, the line investment. Same example I am taking repeated. And x equals to re dot sub spaces in the spaces I need to mention 2. That means it is replacing the spaces with 2. I am replacing the space with the 2. Whatever the things if you want to replace, you can replace the things. Whatever the things if you want to replace, you can replace the things. Here also space calculated. Okay. Simply like that, same. If you want to like apply these particular spaces only, I need to assign some values, not remaining for particular. This is the code. X equals to the rank investment, same example. X equals to re dot sub backslash slash. This is the old value, old number, or old word, comma, new number. Whatever the things you need to replace with 9. And I'm from the text, I need to replace the values only 2 spaces. I need to replace the values only 2 spaces. This is a space 1, this is a space 2, right? I am only replacing the 2 spaces. If you have a huge amount of data, okay, like that. If you have whatever the spaces you need to cover, you need to, it will be covered the things. It will be replace particular conditions. Based on this, only few spaces need to be filled with this data. Remaining need to be same like that. This is a sub. Clear? Online, offline, both clear? Yeah. So these are the 4 functions comes into the regular expression. So we have some more functions also. One is literally characters and dot wildcard and character classes. Okay, these are the 3 other functions comes to the same regular expressions only. So these characters is mostly important in the NLP task for classification of the text. If you want to clean the text data, at the time these are the 3 mainly important, mainly used things. So try to understand the better. Okay. So here other things is literally regular expression matching themselves. If you have any word or if you have any sentence, it will match itself. If ChatGPT is there, right? Do you have an about the ChatGPT? ChatGPT, what are if you give the sum of the statement, by default it will be match the remaining statement also. So that is masked language model. That is called as a masked language model. So in this masked language model, whatever the statement, whatever the sentence you are passing, if you don't have any correct meaning also, it by default, it will match the meanings and it will give the output for you. So that's works in this.
Even in the Google, if it's search.
Yeah, same like
People do that.
this.
Even if we type something, we match it.
Match the things and they will
Right
give the,
content, it will give you the data.
yes, same, that works in this. This is a classification. Okay. So RE, regular expression, RE, pattern equals to RE dot compile. I need to compile the text. I need to compile the text. Match equals to pattern dot search. This is the statement. This is the statement. Say hello to regular. This is a set. If the what is the word you have mentioned, if the word is matched to this, it will get an output as a match. If it is not get an output, it will simply show the not match.
Not much.
Right? Understand? Let me use hello. You will get an output as a match. Understand or not? అర్థమైందా? తెలుగులో ఒకసారి ఏమని చెప్పాలా? సో ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే కంప్లీట్ గా నీకు ఒక వర్డ్ ఉంటే ఆ వర్డ్ ని మ్యాచ్ అయినప్పుడు తీసుకోవడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఒక లాంగ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఉంది నా దగ్గర, ఆ సెంటెన్స్ నీకు అంతా రాదు. సో దాంట్లో మెయిన్ కీవర్డ్స్ లైక్ కీవర్డ్స్ అంటాం కదా, అలాంటి వర్డ్స్ మెన్షన్ చేసినప్పుడు అది డిఫాల్ట్ గా మ్యాచ్ చేసేసుకుంటుంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కి బెస్ట్ గూగుల్ ఒకటి, ఇంకా చాట్ జీపీటీ, అంటే చాట్ జీపీటీ ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేస్తారు కాబట్టి చాట్ జీపీటీ బెటర్. మీరు చాట్ జీపీటీ కావాలంటే స్పెల్లింగ్స్ మిస్టేక్స్ టైప్ చేయండి, మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చేసరికి కరెక్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ తో ఇస్తుంది. దట్స్ మ్యాచింగ్. ఆ ప్యాటర్న్ ని మ్యాచ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? అది ఎక్కడ అందుకే ఎన్ఎల్పిలో మెయిన్ గా యూజ్ చేస్తారు అని చెప్తున్నారు. అందుకే కంప్లీట్లీ టెక్స్ట్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్. సో బేసికలీ ఆఫ్టర్ డీప్ లెర్నింగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ two things. One is NLP and one more is computer vision. NLP is used for the text classification data. Computer vision is used for the video classification data, like CC cams, like these cams. This also comes to the computer vision. If you want, like if you upgrade the computer vision with the AI, it can be handled how many students are placing, how the students attraction, how the student mindset is working, is the student is active or not, is a teacher trainer is working or not. Everything it will be detected. That comes to the computer vision, but we are working only for NLP, natural language processing, completely text class. Okay. So this is the text.
Shiv, yeah, okay,
Yeah.
sorry, one question there. So
Yeah.
we are calling another function in the if statement there, which is the group. Why are we using that group?
Match the group words. It means that grouping. I'm matching the groups.
Okay, the group
What
of
are the things present
words
in?
that
Yeah,
we are.
yeah. And I am matching the group of words. What are the present in it?
Okay, okay.
Okay. So next dot or wildcard. Simply one dot represents for the one character. One dot represents from the one character. So example pattern equals to re dot compile. I need to compile b dot k. B dot k, like a missing letters. In our childhood we are learning like missing letters. Like that, same the concept here. Here the one dot is represent for one missing character. Another dot is represent for missing character. So here the patterns I need to search cat, out, cut, good, book, brick, board. Okay, it will give the output what is the first occur according to the your requirement. Okay, what is the first word occur? So if print the matched, I'm matching b dot k. So we have a b o k or b I r k. So we have a two words, but the first occurrence one will get the output. Whatever the first occurrence will happen, that's get an output. Like this. If you want to change the thing also, you can change. C dot k. We have a cat, we have a cart, we have a cut, but we get an output as a cat only. The first occurrence. The first which is occur, that's what comes to the first. So let me try with the different B O B. Understand? B.
So how many numbers of alphabets present in that? According to that, we have to add the dots.
Yes. Like a spelling missions, recently I tell you, like if you have any spelling mistakes, it will be matched to the things. So this is a wild card or dot product. And the final one is square brackets of character class. If you want to have access to particular characters, a group of like simply it's a word, particular words. If you want to access a particular group of characters, we use this square brackets. Under the square brackets, whatever the things you want to access, simply we can mention the things. So same import re pattern equals to relay dot. I'm compiling the windows. I'm compiling the windows from the search pattern. This is my search pattern. If I found any windows in this search pattern, it will be go give an output. If I didn't found anything, it will show. Else, I simply can write the statement here. So else print found. Oh, right here. So if I found the things, 1 second, showing the. So not founded. Let me change it to hello. It shows the H. The first character of hello is H. Any single character. Clear? So this is a complete settings. Up to now, our Python has been closed. Okay. These are the things.
Data science, we need this instrument.
No, this is not for data science. For full stack, data science, and game testing. Up to now, it's fine. From whatever the things from tomorrow we are going to discuss, that's completely towards the data. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. These are the topics comes to the data science. But if you go for the full stack, we don't need that. We go directly jumps to the Django. If you go for the like game development, Kiwi, Trigger, GUI, these are the frameworks we will discuss. Okay, these three things. And do you have any doubts up to now? So try to practice each and
No,
everything.
not till now.
Tomorrow, I will. Sorry, ma'am.
No, I don't have any doubts till now.
Oh, fine. So try to revision each and every topic from the beginning. Tomorrow I will make an assignment for you. You need to write the assignment here only. Okay. Whether it has a questions or whether it has a coding, or I will only give the MCQs like multiple choice. So let me think about it, and but you need to be ready for everything. Whatever the things I have mentioned, you need to be ready for it. Mostly preferred for coding only. I will ask the coding questions. So try to practice each and everything. Okay. Try to understand how to write the logic also. Okay. If you want to more questions, simply ChatGPT. Simply ChatGPT. It will give the n number of questions for the practicing purpose. Don't copy the code. Don't copy the code. Try to understand the code, how it's working, how the logic is building. So if you understand the code means definitely you will be become a developer, code developer.
Sure.
Okay. Coding is a completely, I know every coding is a copy paste, but try to understand the logic. If you understand the logic, definitely you can work on that. Okay. Clear? Everyone clear? Okay. And this is a completely of Python. And tomorrow we go for the assignment. Day after tomorrow, you need to give the presentation on Python. You need to give presentation on Python, complete English only. So try to prepare PPT. So let me tell the topics. Please note down the topics. What are the topics you need to mention in the PPTs? First one, everyone note down the topics.
Yeah.
For PPT purpose. On today is a Monday, right? Tuesday is the assignment. Wednesday. On Wednesday, you need to give the presentation. Okay. First one, define the Python. Define Python. Second one, give 3 applications about Python. 3 applications about Python. Don't mention artificial intelligence data science in that application. Try to use different applications and you need to explain where exactly we are using Python. Where exactly Python is used in that application. If we take healthcare, where exactly healthcare Python is using, where transportation is using. Exactly, I need the explanation where exactly the Python is using. Okay, applications, 3 applications. After that, condition statements. Functions. This is the 4 topics. That's enough. Okay, prepare the PPT. That's completely your wish. If you want to prepare the PPT like some examples, that's fine. If you want to prepare the PPT like just a single line of code, that's fine. But the presentation is need to be good. I don't see the PPT. I see only the whatever the talking you. Okay, everyone will be here only. So mostly offline students comes to the offline. So is one of the interaction is also going through the your friends. Clear? Any doubts?
No, no. Vamshi, one question. After
Yeah.
this, assessment, which is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Sorry, assignment that is tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then presentation followed on Wednesday. So
Yes.
is there any other topic for Python that you are going to follow up with?
No, that's it. Up to here, the Python is closed.
Okay. Understood.
Up to here, the Python is closed. So simply, I am repeating the once again the topic of the reference. As a reference, like if you are revision so and so, you will get the things whatever we discussed previously.
Okay. And what is the next topic that we want to discuss after?
So after that, we are going to move forward with NumPy. That is a packages of data science related things.
Yeah.
Python packages, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Cpond. These are the 4 fundamental packages we will discuss about that. So where NumPy is used for deal with arrays, n-dimensional arrays. So for our eyes, we only see the 3 dimensions only. So in NumPy, we can deal with n-dimensional arrays. That comes to the computer vision, CNN algorithm, deep learning. So your images have n-dimensional images, pixel. So 108 pixel or 2424 pixel. That much of pixels also we need to convert into the 1 dimension and we need to work on the program. So that's why we learn the NumPy. After NumPy, we go for the Pandas. Pandas is simply data analysis and data manipulating purpose. So simply we load the data from the various source, Excel, CSV files, or SQL. We load the data and we need to analyze the data. And if there is any null values, any missing values, we need to fix them there. This comes to the Pandas and MATLAB is C1 and MATLAB is the same. By using the Python, we are visualizing some of the data using some graphs. So MATLAB is a basic level of graph. C1 is the advanced level.
Got it.
Okay. Up to C1, we will discuss the things. Okay.
Done.
After C1, we go for the stats and probability. If stats and probability is good, everything, that step by step we are going. Clear?
Sure.
Yeah. So that's it. So that's it from my side. Do you have any doubts up to now?
No, I
Thanks.
don't.
Yeah, that's it, guys. This video will be uploading to your folders. So check your mail IDs. You will receive one of the folder mail also link. Please click on that link. You will find the videos. Okay. After the class, give me sometime like 1 hour. I have one more section after the class. After the section, I will upload that. Okay. Yeah, guys. That's it from my side. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave the class. Thank you. So every day you need to join, log in same like that. Same like your mail ID, your invitation came to the mail. Click on that invitation, join the call. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.